Hello friends, this is Rajendra Maurya. Today I am going to tell you 17 principles of success. These principles are based on the famous book Think and Grow Rich written by Napoleon Hill. Here is principle 1: definiteness of purpose. Definiteness of purpose is the starting point of all achievement. Without a purpose and a plan, people drift aimlessly through life. There is one quality which one must possess to win, and that is definiteness of purpose, the knowledge of what one wants and a burning desire to possess this. The second principle is mastermind alliance. Mastermind alliance consists of an alliance of two or more minds working in perfect harmony for the attainment of a common definite objective. Success does not come without the cooperation of others. So, we must form a mastermind alliance. Here is principle 3: applied faith. Faith is a state of mind through which your aims, desires, plans, and purpose may be translated into their physical or financial equivalent. Desire backed by faith knows no such word as impossible. Here is next principle: going the extra mile. Going the extra mile is the action of rendering more and better service than that for which you are presently paid for. When you go the extra mile, the law of compensation comes into play. Here is principle 5: pleasing personality. Friends, personality is the sum total of one's mental, spiritual, and physical traits and habits that distinguish one from all others. It is the factor that determines whether one is liked or disliked by others. So your mental attitude is the most dependable key to your personality. Here's principle number 6: personal initiative. Personal initiative is the power that inspires the completion of that which one begins. It is the power that starts all action. No person is free until learns to do his own thinking and gains the courage to act on his own. Principle number 7: positive mental attitude. Positive mental attitude is the right mental attitude in all circumstances. Success attracts more success, while failure attracts more failure. The man who maintains a positive mental attitude may have anything in life upon which he may set his heart, so long as it does not conflict with the laws of God and the rights of his fellow men. Here is principle 8: enthusiasm. Enthusiasm is a faith in action. It is the intense emotion known as burning desire. It comes from within, although it radiates outwardly in the expression of one's voice and countenance. Enthusiasm is the steam that drives the engine. Here's principle 9: self-discipline. Self-discipline begins with the mastery of thought. If you do not control your thoughts, you cannot control your needs. Self-discipline calls for the balancing of emotions of your heart with the reasoning faculty of your head. If you do not conquer self, you will conquer by self. Principle 10: accurate thinking. The power of thought is the most dangerous or the most beneficial power available to man, depending on how it is used. Our minds become magnetized with the dominating thoughts we hold in our minds, and these magnets attract to us the forces, the people, the circumstances of life which harmonize with the nature of our dominating thoughts. Principle 11: controlled attention. Controlled attention leads to mastery in any type of human endeavor because it enables one to focus the powers of his mind upon the attainment of a definite objective and to keep it so directed at will. So focus your attention on the goals that you want to achieve and on finding ways to achieve these goals. Principle 12: teamwork. Teamwork is harmonious cooperation that is willing, voluntary, and free. Whenever the spirit of teamwork is the dominating influence in business or industry, success is inevitable. Harmonious cooperation is a priceless asset that you can acquire in proportion to your giving. The more you give, the more it comes back to you. Principle 13: adversity and defeat. Individual success usually is an exact proportion of scope of the defeat the individual has experienced and mastered. Many so-called failures represent only a temporary defeat that may prove to be a blessing in disguise. Here is principle 14, creative vision. Creative vision is developed by the free and fearless use of one's imagination. It is not a miraculous quality with which one is gifted or is not gifted at birth. You become what you think. Principle 15 is health. Sound health begins with the sound health consciousness, just as financial success begins with a prosperity consciousness. And no person may enjoy outstanding success without good health. Here is principle 16, budgeting time and money. Time and money are precious resources, and few people striving for success ever believe they possess either one in excess. So don't wait, the time will never be just right. Principle 17, that is habits. Developing the establishing positive habits leads to peace of mind, health, and financial security. You are where you are because of your established habits and thoughts and deeds. Both success and failure are largely results of habits. These were the 17 principles given a famous writer, Dr. Napoleon Hill. Please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon. Also like and share this video. Thank you very much.